They think I'ma go bad, bro. No way. They said they gon' take it from me. Okay. I had to think about it.
Hey everybody, I'm Krista and this is my first YouTube video I am very excited to do. It is going to be about one of my favorite dishes, shrimp Alfredo. You guys are going to love it and I can't wait to show you guys. Alrighty, so here we have our boiling water and our shrimp. Now, I haven't done anything yet. I did add salt to the water so it could boil quicker, but now I'm just gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil so the noodles do not stick to the pot. So I'm just gonna do about half a capful, not too much. Just gonna sprinkle it in there. Alright. And like I said, all I did was put the shrimp on the pan. Now I'm going to season it. I usually season it when it gets a little warmed up. So we're going to use our first seasoning, which is the garden vegetable McCormick. It is delicious. I don't use measurements, but the fire right now is on medium low because I'm adding seasoning and I don't want the shrimp to get cooked without the seasoning in there first. Okay, and this is smokehouse maple. This is amazing to add like that delicious smoky flavor. Nobody will be expecting it. Now, chicken seasoning is perfect for shrimp, and let me tell you why. Who doesn't love chicken? And then, of course, for that Cajun little kick, we want to add some Tony's. I'm just going to sprinkle it on there. And last but not least, we're going to add some pepper. Alright, okay, we're just gonna mix this around a little bit. Alright, while the shrimp is heating up, we're going to add our noodles to the pan. Now, I can never break all of the noodles all at once, so I just break it up into pieces. Alright, so that was about half of the packet. So this is the other half of the package. Okay, you just want to add it in there. It's all good to go, and we're going to give it a little stir. And since we added the oil, it won't stick to the pan, which is a plus. Y'all, look how beautiful this shrimp is coming out. Like, oh my gosh. So all we have done so far literally was season it, and we just been letting it sit and just give it a toss here and there. But this is all it takes, and it only took me about 10 to 15 minutes to get it to this crispiness and texture. It looks and smells amazing right now. We have the fire on low. You don't want your shrimp to be overcooked. We are gonna move on to the delicious Alfredo sauce. All right, you guys, this is the sauce. It is amazing, and just gonna pop the lid off, and you're gonna use the whole, yes, the whole can. Well, this isn't a can, this is more like a glass container. But yep, you're just gonna dump it in there. Alright, and make sure when you have the fire on, you turn it on low. The reason why you turn it on low is because sauce cooks really fast and you don't want the sauce to start bubbling all over, and it is just a mess. our little deep dish pot slash pan, whatever it is. It works perfectly for stirring the Alfredo when you're putting everything together. Now, let's add the noodles. I'm not gonna add all of them, but I'm gonna add most of them. You can always save noodles for the next day as well. Now you're gonna add the sauce, which is hot and bubbly. You're just gonna pour it all around. The creamy sauce that has a lot of flavor. Okay. Alright, so that's done. Now, I'm gonna mix this all up together. And depending on if there's too much sauce, that's why I don't pour all the noodles at once. You don't want to put too much noodles and it dries everything out. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Let's get everything in there together. Alright, now we have our creamy fettuccine Alfredo. And now we're just gonna get the pan of shrimp. Put them all on top. A little bit of pepper on top just for decoration, you know. Sprinkle some pepper. And then you want to top it off with just a little more garlic. And there you go. It looks so good, you guys. Look at this. I cannot wait to try it. I just got done sprinkling some Italian cheese. It is so good. I just layered it all on top. I'm gonna put a little bit more, but I just do it all around the pan. And then I just let it heat up a little bit, all mixed together, so it can get all just like, infused with cheese. It smells so good. Like, I cannot wait to try this. Well, I already tried it before. I can't wait for you guys to try it. Alright, my favorite part of the video. I know it's about to be you guys' favorite part too. Trying the meal, the shrimp Alfredo. Alrighty, let's give it a taste. It's all creamy and cheesy. You can really taste that garlic, the cheesiness, the flavor. It is all here. This is so good. Like, I hope you guys enjoyed just as much as I do. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Krista again. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and follow my social media below. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.
Had to get off of that weak shit. Remember posting for days, we was on defense. I'm not a tired of the shit, but money, you gotta be strong. Can't fuck with no weak bitch. Niggas ain't never gave me shit, but I never complain, cause really ain't want it. They told me get back in my old ways, but I been living, gotta feel the pain to get on it.